Ayun, sige guys, so let's try or answer the practice activity of this Python developers. Yan, ang tanong dyan first, what will the codes into the screen say and print level up. So, yun nakalagay doon sa quotation marks yung print level up. Yan yung lalabas doon sa developer. Ayan. Then, continue. So, complete the code. Siyempre, first syntax natin is print. And then, yung laman ng parenthesis ay yung email. And then, complete the code for using so, siyempre, print. Wala siyang parenthesis. Then, ko lang ng quotation mark. And then, so, siyempre, ito na plain string. Ayan. So, ayan. Kailangan niyang quotation mark. And then, print. Then, naman nun is string. As, dito sa choices. So, turn right. And then, syempre, yung syntax. And then, string quotation marks. And then, ito, open and close parenthesis. Then, complete. So, ito. So, since integer yun dito, hindi na natin kailangan ng quotation mark. Kasi hindi naman siya string. Then, print. Open, close. Lagay yung si great job. Then, ito. And then, what is search instruction? This code is keeping to the computer. CME 24. So, nag-print siya ng 24. 24 si integer. So, syempre, to display the number 24 on the screen. And you delete those term complete. You're going to use your coding powers for good. And so, next natin pag-aaralan ng memory and variables kay Python. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.